Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is awake and unlocked. Make sure it has enough charge so the process isn't interrupted. Once ready, open Settings and tap Lock Screen. This directs you to the controls that govern what appears on the lock screen. Next, select Biometrics and Security. You're navigating to Fingerprint Management because the icon is controlled there. From here, you'll see options for fingerprints and lock screen preferences. Keep this page open and prepared for the next steps. You now authenticate to access fingerprint options. Use your PIN, pattern, or current fingerprint. Once inside, tap Fingerprints and review registered prints. This is where visibility and behavior settings live. Look specifically for a setting mentioning lock screen display or fingerprint icon. Models vary, so search within Biometrics and Lock Screen. Disable the toggle that shows the icon on the lock screen. If no toggle exists, remove and re-add fingerprints later. That often resets the icon behavior when you restart the device. Once you've toggled the icon off or removed fingerprints, restart the phone to ensure settings apply cleanly. Rebooting resolves residual UI artifacts. After restart, lock the screen and confirm the fingerprint icon is gone. If it still appears, check for a software update or any active theme that might force the icon. If problems persist, remove all fingerprints and re-register them after another reboot. That sequence often clears stubborn icon display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.